Next traditional test that we have is neuropsychological testing, and this is still old, tried and true testing and technology. However, far more effective at detecting and identifying traumatic brain injury because neuropsych testing is functional in nature. You're all very familiar with it. This test is really a series of tests or a battery of sub-tests that are designed to evaluate cognition of different sorts of cognition at different levels, and very helpful not just in diagnosing functional problems but also in helping us to identify traumatic brain injury, and also to tell us, you know, where what locations of the brain are presenting the problems and where we might be able to do other tests. And finally, to be used, neuropsych testing, as one of the tests that can converge with other tests to pinpoint and to establish and to provide great credibility for the damages in your case. One of the drawbacks to neuropsych testing is the 18-month window. Between a year and 18 months, your neural pathways can be reestablished. We're not building new brain cells per se, but the way thoughts travel, the electrical impulses can actually reroute or rewire themselves within your brain up to a year to 18 months. And you can actually get better functionally for that time. So it's important to keep that in mind in every respect in these cases. But when you're talking about neuropsych testing, if you do a neuropsych test 7 months after the accident, you're going to have to do another one after the 18 months in order to really be able to state with some certainty that this person won't get any better. And that's what you're going to need for trial. Now, there are a few ways that the defendants have tried to challenge these sorts of test results over the years, and there are an equal amount of ways to effectively defeat those challenges. I'm happy to discuss them with any of you, but off camera. That's something we don't want to do on a recording that can be really dispersed to anyone. So please feel free to call me and contact me at any time, and we can have that discussion.